Absolutely. Uh, you know, as you say, every artist attracts the kind of audiences, that he wants, or that he has always imagined. So thankfully, wherever I go, whether I go to America, whether I go to Dubai, or even like the Purana Kala show in Delhi, or I was in Bahrain just now performing for Bahrain circuit racing. The people who come to watch my shows are the listeners, the connoisseurs, the passionate musical ones. Of course, there is a segment of youngsters who just come for the sake of, the fun element we give in the concerts, the energy, and we need them too. For when I do Bijuria, I would expect them to interact more than the only the connoisseurs. But most of the people that come to my concerts are listeners, and they really, really appreciate, especially Indian or Indian subcontinent listeners, like from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, even Sri Lanka, or Fijians, or Surinamis, or West Indian people from Trinidad and Tobago. All these people are really passionate about music, whether it's from the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000, or current music. So they know everything. And people from the West, in fact, people from out of India, they know the older music more than they are concerned about the newer music. So my advantage is that I can, thankfully, because of the time I've invested in music, I have a lot of repertoire of older songs also. So I can cater to both of them, and it's more fun because then you realize that music is so nicely blended with each other. It transcends through the decades. You can actually present something from the 50s as skillfully as you can present something of today's era. So that's the fun part of it. We basically time travel through a concert from the 50s to the 70s, 70s to the 2013, from 13 to 2000. In fact, I've also done 1940 also. Cycle Saab songs also sometimes. Yes. So through a concert, we do a time travel kind of a thing, and it's like a musical jet lag for the people who are sitting and watching the concerts.
Sonuji, whenever we see Sonu Nigam, it is like something different we are going to hear from Sandesh Aate Hai to Kal Ho Na Ho. Like you have some of the most difficult tracks and to sing are big great.
Yeah,
So
it's crazy.
so tell us about Close to My Soul. तो इसमें भी वैसे ही होगा मतलब कि you have some of most one of the most difficult tracks.
हाँ, ये मुश्किल भी है मेरे लिए कि हर बार जो कुछ नया नया करके दिखाना पड़ता है हर बार. अभी इस बार मैंने एक गाना गाया था ताकीदें. फिल्म थी बॉन्डिंग, वो उतनी चली नहीं, पर गाना उसका बहुत, उसका वीडियो मुझ पर शूट हुआ था, तो थोड़ा सा उस पर बात की है. और वो गाना पूरा ताकीदें ऐसे गाना था वो गाना, और ऊपर से सिंह साहब की रेट जो मैंने गाया एकदम ठेठ पंजाबियों की तरह. ये पंजाबी हैं, ये भी पंजाबी हैं, पर ये वो वाले पंजाबी जिसने वो गाया खेत वाले पंजाबी उतने जो ऊंची आवाज़ में ओए की करा ओए जो, तो वैसी आवाज़ में मैंने गाया. अब वो गाना स्टेज पे मुझे गाना पड़ेगा तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है, बिकॉज इट्स रियली हाई फॉर मी, एंड आई हैव टू बी completely like in the best of my voice to be able to sing that song. फ्राइडे का शो ठीक है, बस सैटरडे संडे ये लोग मुझसे बहुत काम कराते हैं. तो फ्राइडे को ये मुझे लेके जाते हैं, और ऊपर से इनका और भी पंगा होता है. फ्राइडे का शो होगा न्यूयॉर्क में अगर सपोज, तो सैटरडे का शो होगा लॉस एंजलिस में, और फिर वहाँ से वापस आएंगे हम लोग वाशिंगटन में.
और इस टाइम नहीं है सर.
थैंक यू.